Want to know how we get our clients jaw-dropping results and our trainers fully booked? Like most things in life, there's a secret formula. I'm kidding, there's no secret formula and no one's coming to save you. No, God! The only way to get clients jaw-dropping results and have them beating at your door is to provide a service that is so good that they are willing to pay 5 times more. My name is Mark Ottobre and I'm the owner and founder of Enterprise Fitness, and I've been a coach and PT for 2 decades. And over those 2 decades, we have someone walking out of the toilet. I put together a 2-day internship program covering my systems, principles, philosophies, so that I could buy lots of Jordans. Our courses aren't like everyone else's. We teach what made us successful. We're going to show you what works with real clients. More importantly, we're going to show you how to implement it. I'm going to give you my online internship program, normally valued at $997, completely free just for signing up. And if that wasn't enough, my team and I are going to take you through 4 intense workouts, and the internship comes with a better than money back guarantee. So if you're ready to get better results for your clients, earn more money, and see how an industry leading team does it while having tons of fun, enroll today.